Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, February 23rd. Bounce yesterday, some nice follow through on the positive action from last week, up another 1.5% across the board in the stock indexes. E-mini S&P 1936, adding 22 points. The high of the session was 1943 and 3/4, taking out the recent highs, the highest level the S&P futures have been since January the 13th. Dow futures added 181, 16,539, 1,200 points above those lows, and the Nasdaq's up 54 at 42.15. Strength in the dollar yesterday, up 78 at 97.39, a turnaround there as their concerns are about Britain exiting the EU. So we saw the pound down, and that also brought the euro currency down, 110.31, down 110 on the session. Treasuries were somewhat steady, down 13, a little bit more unwinding as stocks get more stable, 166.06, giving yields a bit of a boost. And crude oil, big mover on the day, up about 7 or 8%, up $1.65, 33.40. The high of the session was 33.85, now pushing to the upside of this overall channel. And suffering with the stronger dollar on the session was gold, down $21 at 12.10, with 1,200 as support down below. So after a solid follow through on the positive week, like I stated last week, where do these markets stand here on Tuesday morning? Well, we're unchanged. We were down solidly overnight and have made a comeback back to the unchanged level here in the early morning. S&P right now is at 1936. Dow futures right now down 5 at 16,534, and the Nasdaq still a little negative at 42.09, minus 6 points. The dollar's drifting higher after the surge yesterday, 97.47 up 8 ticks. The euro currency down another 30, back below the 110 level. Let's remember 110 was that breakout a couple weeks ago, so we'll see how it acts as weekly support on the downside. Treasuries down another 13 ticks, 165.25. An update on the yields right now, 2.65 in the 30-year and 1.78 in the 10-year note. So we've seen some moderation there and a little bit of firmness. Lastly, we've got crude oil unchanged at 33.35 after the big surge yesterday, and gold getting back some of its losses, up $6 at 12.16. So 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. To update the markets one more time, the stock indexes are unchanged in the S&P, down 5 in the Dow, and minus 6 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.